Hey, Hong. Where's your car? Well, I took it to the repair shop. Oh, did you have an accident? No, I left it with the mechanics for a tune-up. When will it be ready? The mechanics said it'd be ready on Monday. That's such a long time. Yeah, it is a long time. Are you planning on going a trip? No. I just take it to the mechanics every 3,000 kilometers. Why do you do that? It's very old. It needs a lot of care. How old is your car? It's a 1975 model. Huh, that's not so old. My grandmother was born in 1912. Well, I guess, compared to your grandmother, my car isn't that old. Hey, wait a minute. How are we going to get to the movie? Well, we can walk or go by train. It's up to you. Are you crazy? Walk? The shopping mall is much too far. In that case, we go by train.
Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.